Hi everybody, it's Julie the Whippy Chick. How are you today? I'm doing great. I'm not in my car, obviously, and that is because I've been really sick. So I'm not at work today. I am slowly recovering. I'll probably take a nap after I finish filming this video. But I just wanted to check in and see how everybody was doing, and also let you know some of the projects that I worked on before I got sick while I was on vacation. So the first thing that I worked on, I'm kind of excited about because it's a set. It's actually 3 items, and I thought that this set would make a really great Christmas gift idea. Now I know it's only July, but it sneaks up on us, right? And we makers need that time to make. So I will show you what I made. It is a 3-piece spa set, like a bathroom spa set. So the first piece is this cute little mitt, face scrubby mitt. So you would put your soap on there and scrub your face with that cute little mitt. And I just like that it fits over your hand. I just like it. I don't know. So that's number 1. The second part of this set is this textured washcloth. I did put a little loop on it so you can hang it to dry, hang it in your shower. But yeah, I love the texture of this. So that's pretty cool too. The last thing I made is this loofah. It's a really cute little loofah, and it's super easy to make. It might look complicated, but trust me, super easy. Hang on one second, the phone's ringing. Okay, so I'm back. It was my husband calling to check on me. It's sweet, and it's such a good thing to have someone looking out for you, you know? He's called to make sure I wasn't overdoing it. He's a little late. I think I overdid it a little this morning, but that's okay. I'll take a nap. So anyway, yes, this is the spa set, and I'm really excited about it. And I've already released a tutorial for the loofah, so if you want to check that out, that's all set, and it is super, super easy. It looks maybe like it would be complicated, but it is not at all. This one, the washcloth, the textured washcloth, the tutorial will be out next week. I want to say Monday. And this tutorial is not quite done yet, so it should be out the following week though. So we have 1, 2, 3 tutorials, 1 a week. And the best part of it, I'm not sure if I already said all this or not, but the best part of this little project, oh, just a second, I dropped it. Sorry, Willie. Oh, my dog Willie is on the floor. Is it just takes 1 skein of the Hipster Cotton by Premier. You can get this at Michael's. It just takes 1 skein to create all 3. And you'll still have just a little tiny ball of yarn left. So perfect, right? So what is that, $7.99? And you can make all 3 of these. And you put it in a little gift bag with some, Bath and Body Works soap or something, smells really nice. And you've got a nice gift for someone that's, extra special because you made it for them. And I really like getting gifts like that, and I love giving them as well. So I will put those back in my bag, my project bag. So fancy. But this made it all the way to Florida and back with me. So that was good. Okay, so another item that I've been working on, I needed something mindless to work on while I was just in bed, in between sleeping, listening to books and things. So what I came up with was a bath mat. I love the colors of this bath mat. I made it using 3 strands of the Comfy Cotton blend yarn. I don't know if you remember, not too long ago, at Christmas Tree Shop. They were selling the Lion brand Comfy Cotton Blend yarn for, no kidding, $1.99 a ball. And let me see, there's quite a bit of yardage here. 392 yards, that's 358 meters for $2. So that was an amazing deal. I used three balls at a time. So I had 3 strands on my hook while I made this, and it was really very simple. It was just a flat circle is basically all it is. So I love that. I love how it came out, and I'm going to put it on the floor in my bathroom, and it's cotton, so it's very absorbent for your wet toesies as you get out of the shower. So super, super simple and easy project and very mindless. I don't remember how many rounds I did. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I did 20 rounds of half double crochets. Yeah, 20 rounds of half double crochets, and I started with 10 stitches, so I just did a regular flat circle increase. And it grew and grew and grew and grew, and I could have kept going if I wanted to, but I didn't want to. And I think actually I ran out of yarn. Yes, I did. I ran out of yarn, so if I had gone any further, I would have needed to change colors. I'm pretty sure this color scheme is Mai Tai. Let me check. Yeah. So this is the Mai Tai, and all 3 strands were Mai Tai. So if you're interested in checking that out, giving that a try, super, super simple project. And that would be a nice little gift too. I think that's all I've got for you today. I think I'm ready to maybe go have a little lunch and then take a nap. I hope you are all doing very, very well and staying healthy. So one thing that I'm super fortunate is that I was able to be at home while I was not feeling well, and I have spent so much time on my back porch. My husband actually brought out a mat for me to lay down on, so I have just been spending a lot of time laying down on the back porch, listening to the wind chimes and watching the birds and looking at my flowers. So at least I'm not in the hospital, right? I've got a beautiful place to get better and be with people I love. So, counting my blessings. All right, everybody, I'm going to see you later. I am going to put some nature photos at the end of this video because even when you're sick, you keep looking for the beauty that's all around you, because you'll still find it, I promise. Okay, everybody, talk to you soon. Have a great, great day. Bye-bye.